Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at the stock market and thought, that's for rich people, not me? Well, I'm here today to bust that myth wide open. You don't need thousands of dollars to start building your wealth. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can start investing with just $100. Right here in the US, it's way easier than you think. So stick around. First things first. Let's talk mindset. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about planting a small seed and watching it grow over time. That $100 is your seed. The key is something called compound interest, which Albert Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's basically your money making money, and then that new money making even more money. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. So, pat yourself on the back for taking this first step, no matter how small it feels. Alright, so where do you actually put your $100? The easiest way to get started is with a user-friendly investments app. Think about platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or M1 Finance. Many of these have no account minimums and offer fractional shares. What are fractional shares? They're a game changer. It means you can buy a small piece of a big name company. For example, if a single share of a company you love costs $1,000, you don't have to sit on the sidelines. With your $100, you can buy 1/10 of that share. This lets you own a piece of the companies you believe in without needing a huge bankroll. Now, what should you invest in? This is the $1,000,000 question, or in our case, the $100 question. A fantastic starting point for beginners is an S&P 500 ETF, which is an exchange-traded fund. Don't let the jargon scare you. Think of it like a basket that holds tiny pieces of the 500 largest companies in the US. When you buy a share of this ETF, you're instantly diversified across giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Instead of betting on one single company to succeed, you're betting on the US economy as a whole, which historically has been a pretty good bet. Popular tickers for these are VOO or SPY. You can buy fractional shares of these ETFs just like you would with individual stocks. Let's put it all together. Step 1. Choose a beginner-friendly brokerage app and open an account. It's usually a quick and straightforward process online. Step 2. Link your bank account and deposit your $100. Step 3. Search for an S&P 500 ETF like VOO. Step 4. Use your $100 to buy a fractional share. And that's it. You're officially an investor. You own a piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. How cool is that? The most important part of this journey isn't that first $100. It's what comes next. Try to make it a habit. Can you add another $10, $20, or $50 next month? Many apps let you set up automatic recurring investments. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it helps you build your portfolio consistently without trying to time the market. Remember, it's about time in the market, not timing the market. So there you have it. Investing isn't some exclusive club. It's accessible to everyone, and you can get started with as little as $100. Your future self will thank you for planting that seed today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And for more simple guides to building your wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.